Hi and welcome back to another Divine Days dance class. Today we're going to be doing a contemporary routine to Reasons to Smile. So this routine is just exploring different directions and levels such as high and low. So make sure you've got plenty of space to complete the routine and make sure you only do movements with your own capabilities to prevent any injuries, and we'll get started. So to start off, you're going to start in a neutral position with your feet apart, and you're going to throw one arm up to the diagonal, and that'll twist your body with it. So go up, back down to face the front, and then you'll do one more, and this will turn your body to face the side. So it'll go to the side, and then relax the arms down. So up, down, up, down. To continue this, you're going to change to face the other side, and it'll just step over, nice and small. But to make it a bit bigger, we're going to take the back arm, and that's going to carry us over. So it'll go up, down, over. Very good. And then we're going to take the front arm from the back shoulder and extend it behind us. And when doing this, we want a slight bend in the knees and to release the body, so we're looking along that arm and our body's turned. So it'll go up, down, over, release, and then you'll go back up to a standing neutral position. And you'll take the front arm in a circle going forward, so it'll go round, and when you do this you'll have a flick of the front leg and it'll go up, so it'll be a little pick up, so it'll go round. So the beginning bit is up, down, over, out, flick. Very good, we'll give that little bit a go with some music. Just make sure you've got plenty of space. Up, down, over, out, up, flick. Very good, so we've just done the flick here. And you're going to then turn back on yourself. So you'll just pick this leg up to face the front, so the back leg will lift off the floor. So you've just ended here, flick, stepping on the front leg, picking up the back leg to end in a neutral position. And when you do this, you're going to take your front arm up high on the diagonal, and then the back arm's just going to bend at the elbow. So flick, step, turn, very good. So carrying on, we'll go from the beginning. Up, down, release, over, release, flick, turn, stepping out. So you'll end in a neutral position again. So always finishing there. So we're going to do 2 knees. We'll go one then the other. Be like your legs are buckling. So just very small but exaggerated. And when we do this, your arms are going to go up and down. So don't worry about them straightening fully. You have a slight bend and it wants to be very relaxed. It'll be like a reaction to something, so it'll go quick and slow, like it's suspending. So it'll go 1, 2, and then you're going to reach your arm out to the side like you're reaching for something that's sharp, and then you're going to grab with the other hand and pull it in, so that's quite sharp. So this is gentle, sharp, in, and then to continue that bit on, you're going to push away, and this is going to turn your body to face the back. So your legs will stay still, but it will make the top half face the back to push away and a big circle. So we've just gone over, turn, arm, out, in, push. And we'll give that bit a little go with some music again. From the beginning. Over, out, flick, turn, step, step, release, out, in, push. Excellent, so we'll just add the last little bit on. So we've almost got the whole routine. So we've just pushed our body back. And this is going to take us into 2 steps back. Step, and you want to really drag that foot out and make them as long and as exaggerated as you can. So you face the back, back to the front, push, push, and then you want to be pushing from your shoulder, opposite arm to leg, to exaggerate. So you'll go over, push, push, and now you're going to go and plie in a second like this, but you're going to lean to one side, get as deep as you can, and when you do this, your arms are going to open and bring you in. So it's going to go open, bring you in, and when it brings you in, you want to drag that foot in and kneel down to the floor. Excellent, so we'll go from the over, step, step, second, in, and now you're going to kneel up with one leg up, and you're going to push that arm out. So you're in here, push, and now you want to do a roll on your bottom. So you'll roll under yourself to go towards the front, and you'll end, you can see, with one leg in front and one leg tucked in. Very good. So it will go push, down, roll, and then to end you're going to push up. I'll move back so you can see. Push up on that leg. So you'll look extended, up on one arm, and then up on your knees. And this is just going to push and down to finish, and you'll end with your head down or curled in. So that'll be exaggerated and in to end. So we'll add on. So we'll go from step, flip over, turn, step, step, arm, out, in, away, push, push, over, down, push, roll on your bottom, push, and in to finish. Excellent, so we'll try that. I'll walk it through from the beginning with no music, and then we'll try it with the music like normal. So we'll start from the throws. So up, down, up, turn, over, release, up, flick, turn, step, step, arm, out, in, over, push, push, open, down, Good, so we'll try that from the beginning, all the way through. I'll shout the moves over, and I want us to really think about exaggerating when we're changing directions. So when we're supposed to be facing the side, make sure you're fully side on so we can see, and to really exaggerate what moves are sharp. So when we want to throw it, we want it to be sharp, but then when we release, that's when we'll have a little breath. So really try and see the differences in the dynamics. So I'll shout the moves over and just follow along. So start in our neutral position again. Up, down, up, release, over, release, up, flip, turn, step, step, arms, out, grab, in, over, push, push, open, in, push, roll, up to finish. Excellent, so that is the whole routine. So we'll try it one more time. I won't shout over it this time, and just really think about them dynamics and try and make the big moves as big as we can throughout, and just try and have as much feeling behind them as we can. So let's give that a go. Excellent, so that is it all for today. So let me know how you got on, and thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon. So bye.